Once upon a snowy Christmas Eve, Santa Claus was busy preparing for his annual gift-giving journey. The elves were diligently wrapping presents, and the reindeer were eagerly awaiting their magical flight. As Santa double-checked his list, he noticed a small, curious elf named Jingle, who seemed a bit downcast. With a twinkle in his eye, Santa asked, "What's troubling you, Jingle?" Jingle sighed and said, "Santa, I've always dreamed of riding in your sleigh and spreading joy around the world, but I'm too small to be a reindeer." Santa chuckled warmly and said, "Don't worry, Jingle. Everyone has a special role to play. In fact, I have the perfect job for you tonight." With a mischievous grin, Santa handed Jingle a tiny bell and explained, "You see, this magical bell has the power to spread joy and happiness wherever its sound reaches. Tonight, as we fly through the starlit sky, you'll ring this bell, and its enchanting melody will fill the hearts of children around the world." Jingle's eyes lit up with excitement, and he eagerly joined Santa in the sleigh. As they soared through the night, Jingle joyfully rang the bell, creating a magical symphony that echoed through snowy landscapes and bustling towns. The sweet sound of the bell reached every child, bringing smiles, laughter, and dreams of sugar-plum fairies. Jingle discovered that even the smallest elf could make a big difference in spreading the spirit of Christmas. When they returned to the North Pole, Santa praised Jingle for his invaluable contribution. From that day on, the magical bell became a cherished tradition, bringing happiness to children worldwide. And so, every Christmas, as the snowflakes dance and the stars twinkle, the enchanting sound of Jingle's bell echoes through the air, reminding everyone that the magic of Christmas is about sharing joy, kindness,